Are you the type of person who's always writing Amazon KDP ebooks and you're always lost of ideas or you don't even know what to write next? Well, do you know with the help of chatgpt you can actually write an ebook, an Amazon KDP ebook in just maximum of 2 minutes?
Wow.
Yeah, 2 minutes or even less if you're fast about it. I'm telling you. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually use this to write an ebook and then submit in Amazon KDP for review and all those things, okay? So without wasting much more time, make sure you stay tuned and watch this video to the very end as I'm going to be explaining everything in detail, okay? Okay, we're starting with a Word document, okay? So chat GPT for beginners, and then we can say all you need to know to get started. So I'm just gonna reduce this, okay, and then I'm gonna make it calibrate light or make it calibrate. All you need to know to get started, you need to make this calibrate bold. Okay, so just gonna reduce the font a bit. Gonna reduce this to, let's make it 20. Okay, this is okay. All right, contrast. All right, so let's save it as document. I'm gonna say okay, ChatGPT for beginners. This is okay. All right. So now moving on to the next page. Let's take this down a bit to the center. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, so now the next page. Okay, so this is gonna be introduction. Introduction. Okay. All right. And then now guys, we want to come over here to ChatGPT. As you can see, I already asked the question about ChatGPT. So I'm just going to copy this one. I'm just going to copy this, Control C, and then come over here, Control V. Okay. So I just need to adjust this a bit. Okay. So I'm just going to highlight all this and then come to style over here. Let's see. Let's check. I think normal would be okay. Okay, but okay, we need to change this back to black. Okay, so just gonna make it black. I think this is okay. Okay, so ChatGPT is a variant of blah blah blah. You don't need to worry about spelling issues. This is already a machine giving you, so it's gonna be correct. Aside the ChatGPT because it's not an English word. Okay, so we're just gonna keep on doing this. Okay, new chat. So as you can see, I asked the same thing about ChatGPT and it is giving me a different answer. Okay, so all I need to do is to, okay, I can come and I can copy from here. Again, Ctrl C, come over here, again, Ctrl V. Okay, as you can see, it's not the same. It is designed to generate human-like text and conversational style. As you can see, it's trained on blah blah blah. One of the key, it is different, although it's not that similar in a way, but not the same. Okay, so all you just want to do is to highlight again, do the same thing. Okay, style, and then come to normal over here. Good, good. Okay, so I'm just going to reduce this. Okay, now moving into history. So we're just going to ask, let's see what ChatGPT gives us. So ChatGPT history. Okay, let's see. As you can see guys, as you can see as you can see, the type of artificial intelligence model developed, as you can see, was first introduced. Guys, can you see I am doing this real time for you all? This is not a scam, this is real, 100% real. So basically all I need to do right now is to just copy this again. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this, Ctrl C, and then come over here again to history, and then Ctrl V, and then okay, I can reduce this a bit. Okay, I'm just going to select this again, come to style over here and come to normal. Okay, I used Arial for this, so I'm just going to ensure this is also Arial. Okay, so I'm just going to copy all this from here. Okay, oof. Okay, so we're just going to change this to Arial. Okay, Arial, and just 12. Okay, just 12. Okay, so Arial and 12. So guys, as you can see, this is ChatGPT. This is how strong it is. Okay, so I can also ask again. I can ask the same question again, and it gives me a different way of answering. So I can say ChatGPT is 3. Let's expect a totally different answer. Okay, as you can see guys, this is just insane. So I'm just gonna wait for it to be done and then copy this again because it's totally different from the first answer you gave me, although there's some similarities. I'm just gonna copy these parts. Okay, so Ctrl C, good, and then come over here, Ctrl V. Okay, so you're just gonna select this again, come to style over here, come to normal, and then you need to ensure this is black and also ensure it is Arial. Okay, you just need to do this quick, Arial and 12. Good. So now we're moving on to the next part, which is gonna be, okay, I have it here. The next part is the main purpose of ChatGPT. So the main purpose of ChatGPT. Okay, main purpose of ChatGPT. Okay, so we're done with the introduction, topic, title. Now, main purpose of ChatGPT. So we're just gonna come over here again, new chat. Then you ask main. Oh, you don't need to say main aim. You can just say purpose or function, whichever one. Let's say purpose for now. Purpose of ChatGPT. Okay, so we're just gonna have to refresh this. Okay, so wait for it to be done, then we ask again. So let's say, okay, it's verifying. Okay, yeah, I just want to verify this connection is secure. Okay, so let's see again. Purpose of ChatGPT. Okay, as you can see, the language developed by AI is designed to generate perfect, guys, perfect. So we're just going to wait for this to be done again, and then we copy it. You can also do this for several topics if you do Amazon KDP type, okay, which is where we're going to be uploading this at the end of today's video. You can do different videos based or different books based on different topics. Okay, so Ctrl C. I'm just going to come over here again, Ctrl V, do the same thing. Okay, style, come to normal. Okay, didn't do. Okay, style, then look for normal. Okay, this is not doing, so we're just gonna look for a different one. I think this is okay. Let's go for this one, and then we just adjust it. Okay, so we change this to Arial. We'll change this to 12. We also change it to black. Okay, good. Let's ask the same question again. The same question again, but in a different way. You can say aim of ChatGPT. Okay, we just need to refresh again. Just need to keep on refreshing if this happens. Just need to refresh, just refresh, okay? So as you can see, so we're gonna ask purpose of ChatGPT. Okay? The type of what they can do, generate, often use, okay, purpose of we can just copy from here, okay? We're just gonna copy from here. Okay, let's copy from here this time. Good. I think this is okay. Okay, and then just want to select this, do the same thing, the exact same thing. Just gonna come over here to Arial, come over here to 12, and then boom. Good. So we're done with the main purpose. This is okay for the main purpose. Okay, let's move to the next area. The next area is gonna be, okay, let's check it. Okay, how to make money online with ChatGPT. Okay, so we're gonna say let's say how to make money online with ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm just going to reduce this a bit. Let's make it 18. Okay, I think I'll just have to make it lower than 18 then. Let's make this 16. Good. So now we just want to come over here again. Let's ask ChatGPT. We can give us the answer. So make, although I know the answer, but let's just test with ChatGPT. Okay, so make money online with ChatGPT. Okay, can you see, guys? Can you see? Okay, okay. I am basically not doing anything. I'm just asking ChatGPT and then pasting it, guys. So you can see how powerful this tool is. You can see how powerful it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for it to be done, and immediately it's done, I'm just gonna copy and then paste. Okay, you can see how long this is. This is enough. This is more than enough. So I just need to copy this again, and then once I copy, Ctrl C, I then come over here and then Ctrl V. Okay, and then select all again. I'm just gonna select every single part of it, or let's select from here. Okay, good. Then style, normal, come over here, Arial and 12. Perfect. This is okay. This is enough. So we can just space this out a bit. We can put number 1 over here, 1 dot. Okay, we can do 2 dots. Okay, just adjusting this a bit. 3 dots. Okay, 4 dots, 5 dots. Okay, I think this is okay. So we're just gonna give this space and space, space. Good. Okay, so I think this is okay. This is okay. So Control S. Okay, so the next thing on the list, here is the conclusion. Okay, we can just use the about. Okay, let's just write conclusion. Although I'm just gonna add some things. Let me add some things over here. Okay, personally. In addition, you can use ChatGPT to make money online by completing several tasks on websites like guru.com, study pool, Fiverr, that's when you talk about freelancing, Upwork, and many other ways. Okay, so it's okay. We're okay this way. So we're just gonna make this closer. Okay, I'm gonna reduce this. Upwork, comma, and many other ways. Okay, so this is okay. Control S. This is okay. So now let's move to the next part, which is the conclusion. Good. So now I'm just gonna come over here to ChatGPT again. New chat. We ask about ChatGPT again. Okay, we're just gonna refresh the same thing. Keep on doing this, guys. As you can see, ChatGPT actually is writing our book for us. Okay, so ChatGPT about ChatGPT. Okay, this is how I'm meant to write it. Okay, so let's wait for this to be done. We're just gonna copy from here. Okay, let's read it. It's possible that you may be looking for information about ChatGPT. Okay, so we can just come over here. Let's copy from here. Ctrl C. Okay, we paste it over here. Ctrl V. Okay, we come over here again. We can just copy about chatbots as well. This is okay. Ctrl C. Ctrl V, and then let's ask the question properly again, okay, about chat GPT. Good. So as you can see, it's coming out again. So we're just going to wait for that to be done. Okay, let's wait for that to be done first. Okay, so as you can see, guys, we're almost done with the book. Okay, so we're just going to copy from here. We're going to copy from here. Okay, Ctrl C and come over here. I think this is all. Then Ctrl V. Now I'm just going to delete this one. Going to delete this one, and then from here downwards, come to style, normal. Let's see, this is okay. We're just still gonna copy it. So Arial and then 12. So perfect. Okay, this is bold. We don't need it bold. We don't need it bold. So we're just gonna copy this again. We don't need it bold. Good. So we're gonna delete this. Okay, so Ctrl S. So guys, as you can see, we're basically done. And the last thing over here would be the resources. Okay, so I'm just gonna drop some websites where they can use to actually make money online with this. So I'm just going to start with one. Okay, gonna say study pool. Two, that's gonna be guru.com. Guru.com. We just put .com over here again. Or better still, let's leave it as the name implies. Okay, and we can also say Upwork, Fiverr. We don't need it this big. So we're gonna come to area, we're gonna come to 12. Okay, this is okay. So Ctrl S. So guys, we're basically done. So this is ChatGPT for beginners. As you can see, I did this real time for you guys. I did this real time for you guys. So Ctrl S once again. So ChatGPT for beginners. Now we can close this. Okay, you need to have this. If you're Amazon KDP person, you should have this. Okay, so we're just gonna open this. And then immediately we open this, all you want to do is to create a new project. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys real time though. So it's loading. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, so once again, guys, you can actually use ChatGPT to write different topics of books. Like you can see how I did mine. So just do the same thing. Okay, so as you can see, this is the Kindle Create. We're just going to have to do some new adjustments. So create new, choose. So we're just going to choose the file we created just now. This is it, ChatGPT for beginners. So open. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for it to optimize. Okay, so immediately it's optimized. We just need to adjust every single thing. Okay, depending the time it's optimizing, let's open Amazon KDP. Okay, so we can get started. Let's open Amazon KDP. Okay, so I'm just gonna open my account. Let's see if this is done. Okay, it's still optimizing. So now I'm gonna sign in. Okay, so I'm inside my account right now. Okay, this is one of my books I did. Okay, so we're just gonna come back over here. We're gonna click on create. We're gonna create a new one. So we're just gonna click on create. Pending the time it's loading, let's come over here back to Kindle create. So as you can see, import successful. We want to click on continue and get started. Okay, so let's minimize this for now. And let's set up the first things you need to set up when you're creating a book with Amazon KDP. So create ebook. All right, so we're creating ebook, and then what you want to do next is to answer all these questions. So it's going to be in English. The book title is going to be Chat GPT for, or basically let's make everything a cap. So Chat GPT for beginners. Okay, so the subtitle is, okay, it's gonna be, let's confirm that, ChatGPT for beginners, all you need to know to get started. Good. So all you need to know to get started. All you need to know to get started. Good. So now series, it's not part of a series. We don't have the edition number. auto, so I'm just gonna write my name. Okay, so to Zach. Basically, I'm gonna make it in cap to Zach, and then last name. Okay, and then the auto. If you have a contributor, it's just me who did this. And now for the description, okay, that's why I said, okay, let's just leave it. So description of the book is basically gonna be the about in a way. I'm gonna use part of the about. Okay, so I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna come over here, Control C, open the notepad, open the notepad. I'm just gonna paste this here, okay, and then I'm gonna come back over here, Control V. So I'm gonna say this is a book that explains all about ChatGPT. Okay, all you need to know to get started using ChatGPT. Okay, all you need to know to get started using ChatGPT. I'm gonna say about it, the main purpose, okay, I didn't spell that well. Okay, so the main purpose and how to make money online using this AI software. Good. So summarized enough. So I'm just going to talk about myself lastly. This book was written by Sainton Jack. Okay, written by Jack, a well-known AI expert who has also Control A, Control C, come over here again, enter and paste this just in case we need it next time. So I think this is a good description enough. It is okay. So now I'm just going to say I own the copyright and the whole necessary publishing rights. So now the keywords, we're going to enter chat GPT. We're going to enter how to use chat GPT. We're going to enter how to make money using ChatGPT. We're going to say all about ChatGPT. We're going to say ChatGPT for beginners. Categories. Okay, so basically we're going to look for something that deals with, it's non-fiction. We're going to look for something that deals with artificial intelligence, computer engineering. Okay, we're looking for something that deals with machine learning. Okay, so okay, we have programming over here. Okay, programming, algorithm. Okay, basically let's just I think we'll just go for this programming. So now minimum, okay, we're gonna go for 18. Go for 18. Oh, let's go for 18. And then maximum as well, 18. Minimum 12 grades. Let's make everything maximum. So I'm ready to release my book right now. So save and continue. Okay, so now let's go back to this. Let's go back to Kindle Create. Okay, would you like to save it? Definitely. So we're going to save this. Okay, good. So save. So now let me show you guys. So now we need to adjust this a bit because this is how our book is going to look like. So all you need to know about this is it. So we're just going to come over here. Accept selected. We're going to come over here. The front matter, the title page. So basically we're going to input the title here. So it's going to be Chat GPT for beginners. The book subtitle, all you need to know to get started. Author name, ASI3TN. Okay, you can leave this, create page. So as you can see, we're done with this. This is the title, ChatGPT for beginners, all you need to know to get started. Good. So now moving on to the next, let's go for copyright. So copyright owner, we're going to input our name again, the year, which is 2022, currently 2022, and then create page. Good. And then the next we want to do over here is dedication. Just a quick dedication. This book is dedicated to the Almighty, the Almighty, and you can put, and also to all my supporters out there. Good. Create page. So the next thing we want to do, we want to do the introduction. Okay. So the introduction here, this is where we're going to input what we actually had for introduction. Okay. So we're just going to delete this and then come over here to where we have the introduction. So we just want to copy all this. Just want to copy all this. Let's copy everything. Go down. Good. So Control C. And then come back to introduction over here. And Control V. Good. So introduction. Good. So now we can actually come here again. Sorry, come to the body. Okay, so now we're coming to the body. So we're just going to erase this. Going to erase this. Good. So we're just going to reduce this again. Okay. So now we're left to the history. Okay, this is okay. We can leave this in the body. So history of ChatGPT. Let's see. Okay, and then the main purpose of ChatGPT. Okay, this is okay. Let's see. Let's see if we can raise this a bit, reduce this. Okay, basically, let's leave it this way. Let's leave it this way. And how to make money online with ChatGPT. Okay, good. And the conclusion and the resources. Last thing we want to do here is the back matter. Okay, so about this author, we can come over here. That's the reason why we actually save this. So we just want to copy this, Control C, and then come over here, Control V. Okay, the author name we're gonna say good. This book was written by a well-known AI expert who has also generated a lot of income through the use of artificial intelligence. Okay, so this is okay, brief enough and okay. So create page. So we can just adjust this if you want to. You want to come to edit page. Okay, okay. So this is basically all about it. So we can preview this. Okay, you want to click on preview to see how it actually looks like. So as you can see, immediately someone buys this book. This is how it's going to look like. That's all about it. Okay, good. So now you just want to export this. Okay, you want to export as KPF. Okay, so we're going to save it in a place you can actually find it easily. So I'm going to save in downloads. I'm going to save this in downloads. Save GPT. Okay, good. So as you can see now, guys, it is packaging the project for us. So as it is doing this, as you can see, your file is ready to publish, which is done already. Okay, so now let's just come back over here. Now we're in a Kindle ebook content. So this is where you need to upload what we just created now. Okay, so upload ebook manuscript. Okay, so this is where we're going to upload this. So we want to come to downloads. Good. So ChatGPT for beginners. So as you can see, it is uploading. Okay, you can see it is uploading. And then the next thing we want to do right now is to create a cover. Okay, we need to create a cover. Good. So now what you want to do to create this cover is to click on launch cover creator if you're the type that you don't have time to actually create your personal cover. But as for me, I'm going to create mine. So I'm going to say upload a cover I already have. So quickly, I'm going to come over here, open canvas over here. So what you want to do is to come to custom size and ensure the width is 65 and the height should be 1000. Good. So now create design. Ensure those are the values you're using for your dimensions. Okay. So now immediately you click on create. So all you just want to do right now is to search for a very good template to make things quick. A very nice template already. So I think I prefer this one. So we're just gonna adjust the text. We're gonna adjust the text. Okay, let's make this very transparent over here. Okay, and then this one as well, we're gonna add the shadow just to bring out that sharpness. This also, I think this is good. Let's save this. So we're gonna save this as a JPG file. Okay, we're gonna download it as a JPG file. Okay, so now you just want to click on download, immediately loads. Okay, so download this. So guys, now all we need to do now is immediately it's done downloading. When to come back over here. Okay, there's spell checks, so we can just view this ChatGPT 5 and Upwork. So we can just leave this. You can just leave all this. Okay, back to content is to upload this cover file. So upload a file. This is it over here. Okay, good. Okay, so we're done uploading that. So now the next thing we want to do now is to preview. Let's see how the book looks like. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to click on save and continue. Okay, so immediately after this saves, now you're going to the aspect of pricing. Okay, as you can see, Kindle ebook pricing over here. So basically, the first thing you want to do is to enroll your book in KDP Select, and then you come to ensure this is in all territories. Okay, and then this is in Amazon.com. This is the best. And then the next thing you want to do is to pick your royalty plan. Okay, I would say I'll advise you all to go for 70%, so Amazon can take the remaining 35%. Okay, so I'm just gonna make this just $3. Okay, and automatically Amazon is gonna process it in all other currencies. So all you want to do right now is to just click on publish your Kindle ebook. Okay, so that's basically how it was, guys. You can see I actually just used the chat GPT to actually create an Amazon KDP book without even thinking and all these things. So it's just done by chat GPT. So guys, you can see how chat GPT can be used for various uses. And this is just one of million uses you can actually use chat GPT for. And if you surely enjoyed this video and you learned a lot from this video and you still haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe because I'm still going to be uploading more and more informative videos you definitely don't want to miss out. And I'll see you guys in my next video.